Hello friends, I'm Dr. Prashant. Once again, I welcome you from S Prompts, and in continuation to our lecture series on the subject Operations and Supply Chain Management, today our discussion for topic is Total Quality Management. In my previous session on quality, we have already discussed the importance of quality from the manufacturer's point of view and from the customer's point of view. Customers are paying for the product and services whatever they are buying, hence they expect highest quality from the product and services. The quality can be in terms of its performance, quality can be in terms of the benefits, or quality sometimes can be in terms of less price for the customers, because customers are looking out the quality in terms of value what they are going to get against the product. If customers are getting quality, customers will be satisfied, and every satisfied customer will contribute in the success, growth and performance of the organization. And hence, from the manufacturer's point of view, quality is important for the customer satisfaction, because customers are the ultimate end users who will decide and determine the quality of the product and services. So let us try to understand what exactly mean by total quality management with this further slides. So before we actually proceed for total quality management, let us rebrush our understanding of quality. The definition of Phillips B. Crosby suggests that quality is the conformance to the customer's requirement, confirmation of performance to the customer's requirement of benefits from the product and the services. Edward Deming suggests a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability. That means when a product is being purchased by the customer, whenever the customer is going to purchase the product, every time it should have the uniform quality, and the customer should depend on the performance of the product. That means the product should not fail to deliver the expected benefits or services to the customer. So a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at the low cost, and it should meet the expectations of the market, or we can say the expectations of the customer. So customer looks at the total value proposition and not the price alone. This means that whenever the customers are making or defining the quality from the product or the services, they don't only look at the lowest price, but they will be also give equal importance to the benefits what they are going to get. So to get the highest value from the product or service, it should give maximum benefits at the lowest possible price. So in this numerical form of value, benefits, that is numerator, should be higher and the denominator price should be lowest as possible as compared to the competitor's product. The concept of total quality management actually evolved in late 1980s. It is said that quality is not the responsibility only of the manufacturing department, but the entire organization is equally responsible for maintaining the quality of the product. Let us understand the definition of total quality management. Total quality management definition says managing the entire organization. Now managing the entire organization means may it be the top level management, middle level management, or the functional department including the service providers, and all are responsible for the quality delivery. So managing the entire organization in such a way that every individual should excel in working on all the dimensions of the product and the services which the customer found as important one. In my previous slides of quality, we have already seen the 8 dimensions of product, that is performance, reliability, durability, serviceability, aesthetic look, features, perceived quality, and the conformance of standards. So total quality management is not the product or a service approach. Means it is not that if the product is delivered of a good quality, that means we are practicing the total quality management. No, the total quality management is a process approach which starts from sourcing of the raw material or procurement of raw material until the product is being delivered to the end customer. So all those activities and the processes will contribute to total quality management. If we see this diagram of supply chain management, which actually begins from the inbound logistics, that is bringing in the raw material from the raw material supplier until the product are being delivered, along with the after sale services that ensures the highest customer satisfaction. Then the procurement process, sourcing of raw material, supplier negotiation, then storing of the raw material, dispatch of raw materials from the warehouse of the company to the manufacturing department, handling of the material throughout the process of manufacturing, the product storage, finished product storage in the warehouse of the organization, and through outbound logistics, supply of finished goods to the market, then distribution of products to the distributors, to the wholesalers, to the retailers, and then ultimately selling the goods to the customers and providing the after sale services. Then every individual who is responsible in all these processes should practice in total quality management, so that there will be highest customer satisfaction and the quality can be practiced. Edward Deming says quality is everyone's responsibility, as we have just discussed now. So there has to be integration of all the processes, all the channel partners, may it be from the inbound logistics until the after sale services are being provided. Every process should be integrated, and all the functions with which the product quality is being delivered to the customer across the product life cycle should practice the total quality management. And it can be measured only through the customer satisfaction. If the customers are satisfied, then we can ensure that our product is of a highest quality, and that is we are practicing the total quality management. In how this total quality management can be achieved, it is only through the continuous improvement. Whatever products we are manufacturing, it cannot be only a one-time process. There has to be a constant improvement in the process, so that every next time whatever product we are going to manufacture should be of the better quality, or at least of the same quality what we have manufactured in the previous time. So total quality management comprises of three basic areas. The first area is the product quality. That means whatever product we are going to manufacture should be of an highest quality, and it should meet to the customer expectations. Companies are claiming the performance of the product. So here the P stands for the claiming of performance by the organization, divided by E is the expectation of the customers from the product. So Q is in a numerical form, is quality is equal to performance divided by the expectation. So the performance should be more than the expectations of the customer. Second is the process quality, because the processes with which the raw materials will be converted into finished goods, all the processes, all the activities should be of highest quality, so that the highest quality or the good quality raw materials will be converted into good quality product, and the good quality product will be distributed to the market with the good quality transportation or the logistics services, and the good quality storages across the distribution channel until the product has been delivered to the ultimate customer. So the process should be of a highest quality. And third comes is the human quality, because all these processes are being done by the manpower. So all the human power who is actually practicing should be provided training, so as to improve their knowledge, skill and their behavior, so that they should be involved in maintaining the quality across and throughout the process until the product has been consumed. So these are the three basic areas related to total quality management. So total quality management ensures that the customer makes the ultimate determination of the quality, because it is not the company who can claim for the quality, but after utilizing the product, it is the customer who will determine whether the product is of a quality or not. The top management must provide the leadership as well as support for the quality initiatives. Means the top management should initiate that we have to provide quality to the customer, and we have to practice the total quality management, and then the organization should provide all the possible supports to their manpower so as to practice the total quality management. Total quality management also ensures preventing the variability. There should not be any variation in terms of quality of the product and service. Every time whenever the product is being manufactured, it should be of the same standard. The quality goals are the moving targets. It means that quality is not one time. Every next time whenever the product is being manufactured, it should be of the highest quality, or it should be of a better quality than the earlier product, and this is possible only through the continuous improvement in the processes with which the products are being manufactured. And improving quality of the product, it requires the establishment of effective metrics. Means there has to be some standards, and every product which has been manufactured with whatever processes, it should be compared with the standard, and if it is matching or exceeding to the standards, then we can say yes, we are practicing the total quality management. So one should speak with data and the facts and not just with the opinions. So there are 6 basic concepts of total quality management. First concept suggests that a committed and involved management, that is the top level management, should first be committed for providing the quality and practicing the total quality management, and then this top level management should provide all the possible support to their manpower so that they can also practice the total quality management. The total quality management is an constantly focusing on the customer. The customer can be the external customer who is actually the end user, or it can be the internal customer, that is the employees and the workers of the organization who are actually practicing the total quality management. So the TQM should focus on both internal as well as the external customers. There has to be an effective and constant evaluation on the business processes as well as the production processes with which the product are being manufactured and services are being provided to the customer, so that we can make a continuous improvement in this business processes as well as the production processes. The 5th basic concept of TQM suggests that every channel partner, may it be the supplier of raw material or it can be the supplier of the finished goods, all these suppliers should be treated as the partners, because the partners will be involved, partners will contribute, and partners will also share the benefits and risk, and they will practice the total quality management so that the organization can achieve the objective of total quality management. And there has to be performance measures for the processes. The main advantages of TQM, of course, it is a strategic approach to the management, so that at the operational level, at the performance level, or maybe at the process level, all the cross-functional departments must be integrated with each other. The collaboration and the cooperation and support between them should help to practice the total quality management, and there has to be a systemic and constant innovation. The total quality management, of course, ensures the highest return on investment through improved efficiency and effectiveness of the employees. Works equally well for both services as well as the manufacturing sectors. The 5th advantage of total quality management is there will be a cross-functional improvement in the cross-functional processes, as we have discussed earlier, and it fits on orientation towards the inter-organizational collaboration. All the organizations, may it be the channel partners or may it be within the organization, all the departments, there will be a good collaboration between them, and this collaboration will further contribute in the success of the organization. The TQM should help to develop the ability to learn faster and better than the competitors, as this is the only way out available for the organizations to create the sustainable competitive advantage. So we can conclude by saying that the top management should help their employees to learn and continuously improve upon their knowledge, skills as well as behavior, so as to make them competent and to ensure effective and efficient utilization of the resources, resulting into improving the process of making product or service, so as to practice the total quality management. So with this, I tried to make you understand what exactly mean by total quality management and how total quality management benefits to the organization. So this is from my end. S prompts, which stands for Simplified Solutions for Professionals, Management Practitioners as well as the trainees. In case any questions, queries related to this topic or any topic related to operations and supply chain management, you can put your questions in the drop box. I will definitely try to answer to all your queries and questions. Thank you guys. Good day.